Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated crossovers of the year, the 2026 Toyota RAV4. If you're thinking about upgrading your daily driver or you're just a fan of smart, reliable engineering, this new RAV4 might just impress you. Toyota has taken what already worked and refined it further. The 2026 RAV4 keeps its bold, athletic design, but now features a slightly sharper front fascia, slimmer LED headlights, and a more sculpted rear. It's not the full redesign, but the subtle updates give it a fresher and more modern edge. For those who love options, Toyota is offering new two-tone color schemes and updated wheel designs that help the RAV4 stand out in traffic or on the trail. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 continues with the trusted 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine on its base models, offering a balance between performance and efficiency. But where things get exciting is the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. The RAV4 Hybrid now pushes slightly better fuel economy thanks to software and tuning improvements, while the RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid remains the performance champ, with around 302 horsepower and a refined EV-only range of about 45 miles. That means more time on battery power and less time at the pump. Inside, Toyota has really upped its game. The 2026 RAV4 features an upgraded infotainment system with the standard 10.5-inch touchscreen, and higher trims now come with a sleek 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across all trims, and there's now better voice command functionality. Materials throughout the cabin feel more premium, especially in the XSE and Limited trims, with soft touch panels, better stitching, and available ventilated front seats. Tech and safety are always a big selling point for Toyota, and the 2026 RAV4 is no exception. Toyota's latest Safety Sense 3.0 suite comes standard, including advanced features like proactive driving assist, lane tracing assist, and improved pedestrian detection. The adaptive cruise control has been fine-tuned for smoother operation, making highway drives even more relaxing. Cargo space remains a strong suit for the RAV4. With the rear seats up, you still get over 37 cubic feet of space, and folding them down opens up nearly 70 cubic feet, making it ideal for road trips, gear hauls, or weekend getaways. As for pricing, expect a slight bump over the 2025 model. The base RAV4 will likely start around $30,000, with the RAV4 Prime topping out near $45,000 fully loaded. That said, you're getting a lot of vehicle for the money: a strong fuel economy, updated tech, rock-solid reliability, and great resale value. So, is the 2026 RAV4 worth your attention? Absolutely. Whether you go for the standard model, the efficient hybrid, or the powerful plug-in Prime, Toyota's popular crossover continues to offer something for just about everyone. Let us know in the comments what you think of the latest RAV4, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive insights, right here on Rolling Legends.